Update of the persimmons. Look at that. That's a lot. Wow. The sun is so bright. Uy. Look at this, guys. Look at that. So many big ones. So many persimmons. Wow. Lots of them. Persimmons. Big ones. I think it will be ready for harvest around mid-October. Look at that. Wow. Nice one. The sun is too bright. Ooh, look at that. This one is big. Look at that, all the way to the top. All the way. Let's go around the bush. Let's go around the tree. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. Wow. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe Mama Senya Vlog. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.